Some dreams wait for us, somewhere beyond the horizon, sometimes for what feels like a lifetime. Mine was waiting far away from home. It all started when I was a kid. I remember watching my first documentary about wild animals. In that moment, I knew I wanted to experience more than just the world outside my doorstep. That's when my dream was born, to stand in front of white elephants one day. Our journey started in the south of Namibia. We made it a short detour in the Kalahari Desert, before heading towards the west coast to see the famous dune landscapes. Along the way, I got to know the country in all its different phases. The raw, often harsh beauty left a lasting impression on me and sparked my fascination even more. But all these experiences were only a glimpse of what truly awaited me here. After finally reaching my dream, I wanted to see more of the wilderness here. That's why we continued our journey to Etosha National Park, to experience more of it and to discover a country that feels so wild and full of life. On our last days, we set out to see an animal that needs to be protected day and night, so that it can still exist in the wild. Watching the rhinos made me realize how powerful and raw nature can be, and how small we humans truly are. But it also made me realize how fragile everything is, and how important it is to protect what still remains.